Hey everyone, this is Don with My Crypto Playground, and I'm starting a new installment of my Delegate or DeFi challenge, except this time it's going to be on Oracle Swap on Songbird Network. And before we get started, I just want to let you guys know, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what to do with your money. I'm just showing you what I'm doing with mine. So let's get back to it. What I'm going to actually do is I'm going to get out of my SGB Oracle farm on Pangolin DEX, and let's go to that screen right now. As you can see right here, and this DEX, actually I haven't talked to you guys too much about this one. This farm I've been in for the last 45 days. So let me just kind of let's switch to it over here now. As you can see over here, I started this back, oops, sorry, wrong one. SGB Oracle, there it is. So I started this pool and farm back on October 27th, and I put in 260,000 SGB and about 4 million plus Oracle. And at that time on 10/27, the value of that pool was $9,040. Now let's kind of fast forward 35 days, and today's 12/1, and my pool now has, let me see, let's go to it right here. As you guys can see, there is 236,000. Let's change that number up. 23697. 236,000 Songbird and about 4.56 million Oracle. Now this last 35 days, this farm has actually netted me about 18,190 PSB. So if you look at that and how much Songbird that would be based on today's swap rate, which is about 2.55, that would have accumulated me or earned me 46,384 Songbird. Now, yeah, as you guys know, a few weeks ago, pretty much the beginning of November, that number was actually more closer to 5 Songbird per PSB. So that's why I'm kind of switching it up a little bit. And I know that Oracle Swap's got some new things coming out in the pipe as far as NFT staking and pro staking, and I figured I need to kind of jump on board there and start farming out pro tokens. So you know, see what we can do with those as FLR gets closer to launch. So that's a little background of where we are on that. So let's go ahead, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove my liquidity from this farm on Pangolin. Then let's get out of here. Let's go to my pools. Remove first. Remove and confirm that. So cool. So what we're going to do now is we're going to switch out from Bifrost wallet, and then we're going to go to my MetaMask wallet on Chrome. Hopefully this doesn't confuse anybody here. So we are. What I'm going to do is go to farm, go to all farms, and then let's find the WSGB Oracle pool. Now what we're going to do is, here's all my SGB right here, 236-ish thousand. And so I'm going to hit max on that one, but not really max. Let's go max on my Oracle there. So in this one, I am going to be depositing 235,648 SGB. and 450, about 4.5 million Oracle. So let's confirm that, and which is really cool on this. If you guys can see, let me zoom it in a little bit. That is going to be 11.61% of the pool. So awesome. That's actually a nice, nice size. So let's confirm that. And you know what? My MetaMask is actually being kind of silly right now. Let's go back. So let's there's another way around this, and let's go to that. So for here, let's go to pool, go to add that liquidity right here, confirm adding that, confirm supply, and right now it's being kind of slow. Yeah, MetaMask is actually being kind of wonky here for me the last few hours, and I don't know what's up with that. Let's reload this and see what's up. All right, let's see if we can add. Man, really wonky, I'll tell you that. Let's switch over to Bifrost and see if there's anything. See if this one starts to act up a little bit. Let's go here. Pool. See if we can add that. Max Oracle. Confirm adding. All right, yeah. When in doubt, Bifrost to the rescue. It's okay. So that's already been put in right there. And so now what we want to do is click there, go to farm, go to all farms, and then find the WSGB Oracle pool right there. I want to go to staking, hit max, confirm supply from that, and close it up, and it's a success. Let's double check it and make sure. Let's go to farm, your farms. You can see right there, WSGB Oracle. I've also got a WSGB Pro farm going on right now. Let's click that. Yep, and there it is. I'm gonna take a quick screenshot of that. Then what we'll do is we will go to the spreadsheet and input those in so I can keep track of where we are. So as of today, 12/1, so we start at 235, 730, and 458760. And then that pool value, as you can see right now too, the swap rate for that is 19.34 Oracle per SGB. And let's see what the price of Songbird is right now. Go to, where is that? Oh, I don't even know where I'm going here. That's good. I'll input that in here in a little bit. So that's the one thing I'm kind of not a fan of with Oracle Swap, is that it doesn't give you the your totals for your pools like Pangolin does. However, if you guys aren't too familiar with Oracle Swap, they've actually added analytics to their to their site. And as you can see right here, if you go to analytics.oracleswap.io, you can see here all the stats for all their pools. So if you look on here on pairs, let's see, let's make that a little bit bigger. You can see here that the most liquidity is on the WSGB Pro pool, and then the next one is WSGB Oracle. Let's kind of switch out to a bigger screen there. And yeah, this has actually been really helpful, and that's what made me decide to switch over to Oracle Swap, because I knew I could get a bigger, about like 11% of that pool. And let's keep flip-flopping back around here, and I know this is kind of confusing for everybody. So if we go to farm here, all farms, actually your farms, you can see that this farm right here for Oracle Swap, that WSGB Oracle pool farm, is paying out 11,520 Pro tokens per day. So if you break that down, 11,250, and then since I have about 11% of that pool, it should technically net me about 1,293 Pro tokens per day. So I'm gonna keep track of that, and what I want to do is after 35 days, 35 days, I want to see if it's kind of similar to what Pangolin was doing for me. So yeah, that's about it right there, guys. I hope this is kind of helpful for y'all down the line, as you can see my results in the upcoming days and weeks, and hopefully it'll help you make a decision on which DEX to do for a DeFi. And then lastly, what I'm going to do too is once I figure out exactly how many SGBs I have, I am also going to delegate that same amount onto probably to Oracle Swap on my other wallet, so we can keep a side-by-side account of how much better delegating is or DeFi on Oracle Swap is. So, well, let's hope, like I said, let's hope obviously DeFi is better than delegating for now, but as you know, not as safe as delegating. But thanks for joining me on this video. I appreciate you guys joining, and I will see y'all at the next one. Thanks. Bye.